All right, number 7. What does Uncle Ray do next after the glider lands on the ground? So I see next and after. This is obviously like a sequencing type thing. So we need to find where the glider lands on the ground and figure out what happens next, what happens after that. Actually, it says, what does Uncle Ray do after it lands on the ground? So let's find where the glider lands on the ground. We know that's not going to be at the very beginning because it hasn't even taken off yet. There they are taking off. It's quiet. Keep on skimming. She's watching the hawk. Okay. Uncle Ray steered the glider carefully. They're still flying. All right. Where does it land? Oh, there it is. As they rumbled along, the glider slowed and came to a rest on a clump of grass beside the road. So we found where it lands. We need to look to see what Uncle Ray does after that. So we have to go to the next page. That's where they tried to trick you, and see what happens next. All right, so I see paragraph 12. Ella watched Grandpa's pickup truck kick up dust from the road as it sped toward the glider. Uncle Ray had already started to take apart the aircraft so it could be placed in the pickup truck. All right, so we have he gets into Grandpa's truck. Well, I see that right there. Ella watched Grandpa's pickup truck kick up dust from the road as it sped toward the glider. This is a little bit tricky because it says he gets into Grandpa's truck. Who is he that they are talking about? Well, the question is asking about Uncle Ray. Who's in Grandpa's truck? Uncle Ray's not in Grandpa's truck because it says he is starting to take apart the aircraft. So you have to be careful. This is definitely your distractor. They are really trying to trick you because they put a sentence about Grandpa's truck right after the glider landed. But it's not Uncle Ray in Grandpa's truck. It's Grandpa in Grandpa's truck. So that was really tricky. I'm betting a lot of you chose A. You just need to be careful and look at the question carefully. He gets into Grandpa's truck. He is supposed to be Uncle Ray. What is Uncle Ray doing? Well, right here it says Uncle Ray had already started to take apart the aircraft. So what is he doing? He is taking the glider apart. See, he repairs the glider. Well, what's wrong with that? The glider was not broken. He didn't have to repair it. D, he puts fuel into the glider. What's wrong with that? Well, you're not going to put fuel into something that does not have an engine. And I don't see anything about fuel. So this one was tricky. It was B. You need to be careful and make sure that if you have choices that all have like he, and there's more than one male character, you know exactly who they are asking about. They are asking about Uncle Ray. What does Uncle Ray do? You could actually even get rid of all that. Uncle Ray had already started taking apart the aircraft. He's taking the glider apart. All right, so you need to go to your corrections sheet. The stem was number 7. What does Uncle Ray do next after the glider lands? Okay. And you need to be careful. Make sure you look back. Who is he? In this case, it's Uncle Ray. Put what you chose. I am thinking most of you probably put A, that he gets into Grandpa's truck because it said something about Grandpa's truck right after it. Okay. What's wrong with it? Grandpa got into the truck, not Uncle Ray. The answer is B. He takes the glider apart because Uncle Ray took the aircraft or glider apart. Oh, the other strategy, of course, because since we have next and after here, we know that this is sequencing. So really, before you did anything, your strategy was to find the event and look after it. All right, so be very, very careful on those.